Yesterday, the Department of Public Health reported another 12,000 new individuals got tested for COVID-19, which brings the statewide total to over 2.3 million. 445 new cases were reported, and the 7-day average positive test rate remains at about 1.1%. Almost 4.4 million people 4.4 million tests have been provided to people here in the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, and that number obviously is growing quickly. We've been a national leader with respect to our per capita testing rates now for quite a while. This was an important part of what we talked about when we talked about our fall campaign and the anticipation that there would in fact be an increase in COVID cases. We wanted to make sure that we had significant testing resources in place so that we would be able to identify new cases, pass them along to the contact tracing community, and then help people do the work associated with isolation and quarantine. Over the past week or so, we've averaged about 65,000 tests per day, and in some days have actually exceeded 80,000. This is a far cry from where we were with our testing numbers last spring and even over the summer. In addition to that, the administration has worked closely with our colleagues in many of the so-called high-risk communities to put in place a comprehensive approach to helping them deal with their positive test cases. The Stop the Spread communities in particular are now able to provide access pretty much every day to the people in their communities for free, unencumbered testing, and many have been taking full advantage of that, and we continue to believe that that's an important part of how we go about helping our communities deal with, especially our high-risk communities, deal with the spread of COVID generally.